Now, if you're having problems with your YouTube on your Samsung Smart TV, well, there are a few things to fix that network error. So, first thing that you want to do is you want to restart everything. Now, begin with a simple reset here. Turn off your TV, unplug it from about half a minute here, then plug it back in, switch it on, and at the same time, restart your router or modem by unplugging for about 30 seconds. Now, this quick refresh often clears out temporary glitches. Next is you want to reconnect to Wi Fi. Now, after restarting, you want to go to your settings, then go to general, then network, then go to network status. Now, check if your TV is back online. Now, if not, reconnect by choosing your Wi Fi network and entering the password again. Now, before digging into the app itself, check for updates. You want to go to settings, support, and software update to update your TV firmware. And then head into the apps menu to see if YouTube update is available. Now, doing the latest version prevents a lot of network errors. Now, also, you may want to clear or reinstall the YouTube app. Now, in the YouTube app, if the YouTube app is still fading here, clear its cache and data via the settings and going to apps and then going to YouTube. Now, if the problem continues, remove the app completely from your TV and reinstall it from the App Store. Then log back into your account. Now, if the issue persists, you want to reset your TV's network settings. Now, you want to go to settings, then go to general, then network, and then reset network. Then set up Wi-Fi again as if it's new. And if nothing works here or nothing else works, perform a factory reset on your TV. Then find this under settings, support, and then self-diagnosis. Then choose reset. Now, be aware that this wipes your preferences, installed apps, so set aside some time here to reconfigure everything afterwards. Now, if the error still won't go away, the problem may be bigger than just the app. Now, reach out to Samsung or YouTube support for direct assistance. But that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.